Morning, folks. How are you today? Friday morning. Pretty sure you can't see me because it's dark, and got a little situation going on here. Hooked up to this container and keep on losing my dash lights and stuff. Fortunately, my headlights and brake lights, tail lights, turn signals, all that stuff still works fine. But losing the dash lights, running lights, etc. And good thing for me is it's 5 o'clock in the morning, a little after 5, and I'm almost to the ramp. I didn't realize this was going to happen until after I'd left Napoleon. Stuff started going on. Pulled over to a gas station where they got diesel, and jumped out there, checked out some stuff, opened up the dash, and realized, you know, once I got out, because I checked all that stuff first, realized that it was something in the pigtail. When I unhooked the pigtail, all my stuff came on, worked fine. So I knew it was something in that. So I threw a bungee on that, and I was cool for a while, but turned down this road, and well, it's kind of bumpy when you first hit it. So something, whatever, went wrong again, and it must be shorting out somewhere. This happens constantly with these chassis. Sometimes they get new lights through on there, and somebody wires it up backwards and shorts your shit out. So as long as that pigtail don't fly out, when I hook up to the next one, I'm cool. If not, I do have a spare pigtail under the under my passenger seat there. Since it's got that box, I usually keep, you know, an extra set of airlines and stuff, everything like that I might need on me. That way I don't have to worry about, you know, I ripped some airlines for some odd reason, jackknifing a trailer, something happens, you know, pigtail goes out on me. I've got extra stuff. That way I can just fix it and keep on moving, because, well, nobody wants to sit around and wait on somebody to bring you something. So that's what that is. Somebody said they want some POV, point of view. So this is some point of view for you here, even though you can't see shit, because, well, we keep on kicking out. But, you know, luckily this truck has the circuit breakers in it since it's so old. It just keeps on kicking back over. I don't have to worry about no fuses blowing. That's one nice thing, that's for sure. So that's what that is for now, the beginning. First load of the day, and that's what we got going on. So I'm going to probably get off here in a minute, because I'm going to go to the ramp here and drop this trailer about 2 miles out, and I'm not allowed to take you inside there yet. Don't have permission from them, but maybe I can talk to them and they'll let me. I don't know, you know, what all I can do in there with this. They did let me shoot some pictures of the Frankenstein truck, because, you know, when I had the blue truck was in Override magazine, I talked about going out there and dropping stuff, and that was what I did, and I mentioned them, and I told them I was going to do that again for the Frankenstein. So they let me, you know, shoot some pictures of that truck getting loaded by crane at nighttime when nobody was in there, and that was the exception. So I don't know what all they'd let me do. If I did talk to them, they may say no, period. So it's what it is, but you know, I ain't mad about it. I'm not going to do anything that's going to get me kicked out of there. You know, they want their stuff to be private, so be it. So you know, maybe one of these days though, I'll be able to get some content in there, but until then, you know what we say. Probably bring you back later if we got something cool going on. Hopefully I can hook up with some of these guys that run old equipment, some of the cooler stuff that I like out here to see, and maybe get some chat reviews with them, and maybe we'll bring you back, maybe we won't, but that's what's going on for now. But I guarantee I'll bring you back and do some updates for today, so we got some content. So until then, you know what we say, we will see you. Go, folks, there's some over-the-shoulder point of view. Obviously you can see we got the dash lights back here, shorting that chassis somewhere, so everything's cool. Once I got over there and made that left turn, they kick back on anyway, so it's what it is. You know, just one of those things you deal with when you're pulling junk, running junk. It's a bunch of junk, man. It's what it is, so enjoy this. POV stuff. Just got a message from the old dispatcher, said that something wasn't ready, my next load, but she got a replacement for me, so she's gonna send it over probably. If not, I'll call her when I get over there, or when I get done with you, because I'm not gonna have you on the whole time. You're only gonna be here for a few more minutes. I'm gonna cut you out, but that's not bad right here where you're sitting. Hopefully it's not too bumpy and stuff, but it's what it is. Got some issues going on today. Turn off the fucking brights, dude. too much. I guess I'll find out when I check you out. We'll see though. Though real quick, I'll bring you back when I get some more exciting stuff. This is boring country roads, so till then, you know what we say, we will see you.
Like that one on to Run Run. Boswell Funny Farm is 60s object. So one of our friends gets going to the Indianapolis 500. They paint. It looks like a Checkers flag. Their entire driveway. They do it every year.